For placements, I must say that it is ocean. Job opportunities are ocean. In the public sector, wonderful jobs are being done, especially when Government of India has decided to come on the concept of pay relating to performance. A Schedule A company, public sector chief executive can have a PRP up to 40 lakhs a year. Why the government came out with this concept is that we should get good amount of money so that we are retained, we can work for the public sector. Now it is performance related pay. We have come to the appraisal system of key performance areas, key result areas. We are not in a queue to get promotions. A person of my level in the same organization, one may be getting 3 lakhs a month, one may be getting 1 lakh a month. It is all going to relate with the performance. The idea was that when the private sector can afford the brain, why we should not in the government sector? Where we have got proper infrastructure, nobody can compete us. Because we are supported by the government, and these public sectors were created on the socialistic pattern. Bhilai was a village because of the steel plant. It is having lakhs of people. Rourkela, Durgapur, anywhere you go, that was the concept. We create an airport. The moment we announce to make an airport, the development comes immediately. Land prices will go, various industries will come, people will come, urbanization will be there. Take advantage of that. My request on this forum is the ocean to talk on any issue. I am trying to touch and focus myself on the recruiters' problem or the challenges which are aiming towards the basic standard of education. The student get frustrated, sir, I was getting a CAT score of 96, unfortunately I have come to this institute. What rubbish here. I am teaching in IIM, so I was in NUS, Zurich. I am not from IIM. I am not from NUS. I give credit to my faculties. I give credit to the institute. Why suffer frustration? I tell the students. Make yourself as a brand image. People coming from small towns and make big empires. Why look only at the metros? Everybody, they will struggle in Bombay. They will commute 2 hours morning, 2 hours in the evening. Precious 4 hours devoting. But not ready to work in Manesar, to live in a small flat there. Not going to the Dharuhera or Bhiwadi. He is feeling ashamed. Where do we live? I am in Bhiwadi. Oh my God. He wants to say, no, I am in a metro. This complex, when it will go? And it is not there, it is with everybody. I used to live in Vasant Vihar. That time I never thought of it कि बड़ेला भी कोई जगह है. आज land prices ज़्यादा हो गए, तो I remember the past 30 years we would have taken land for. It is a concept. We identify a person in Bombay. You say I am living in Andheri West, or he is a rich person. You say I am in Andheri East, or he is a poor guy. We are identifying a person with the addresses. We are identifying a person, where do you work? You live in Bombay? Oh my God. He says, I am in Bilaspur. Oh my God, he must not be good. Even for the marriage proposals and all this, his son is working in Bilaspur. He says, he is in metro, he is in Bombay. His office is in, you see, Nariman Point, and he lives in Bandra. Oh my God, we offer it. Why it is coming here? Let us live life. Let us live for contentment. Let us live for satisfaction. Let us teach the students that life is not money. Let us enjoy these 4 hours not in the traffic jams. Live life in a small town, the good money, enjoy those moments rather than crashing in the traffic jams and the craze of metros. 5 lakh here is equivalent to 10 lakh of a small town. So, with this request, I welcome if anybody has got, you have every right to disagree with me. But with my experience and wisdom, what I feel I say. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. With a lot of smiles and chuckles on the faces, I think there is a wide agreement with the very pertinent questions you have raised, especially the courage to stand by your own convictions. And that is probably something which needs to be inculcated and which is the central pivotal point of employability. So I would again open the house for any questions, queries, comments. Please, it has been a fantastic address. So, sir, please, few.
Public sector have gone to colleges for fresh and newer hiring, like Wipro or Infosys goes to colleges for their placement drives.
Yeah, we go for the fresh. We are not going to the institutes intentionally. We had a plan last year to go to the engineering colleges or the management institutes. Then we dropped the idea because you see, we are government sector. We can't pick and choose some institutes and negate others. Because it is a government service. Everybody should have a right. So I must go to employment news. I must go to my website. I must reach to the villages even. Because my airports are 125 airports. My airport is Agati also. It is Lakshadweep. My airport is Pondicherry also. My airport is in Lilabadi also. So small areas also. So I want to reach to the son of the soil also. That is the idea. I want to represent Northeast also. If I go to the management institutes, I'll find only a couple of metros again, and I'll be able to go and make a very good trip with my officers, and just, you see, I don't feel comfortable in that.
Topic in the conclave. So you come up with a problem. Can you please provide a solution for moral values? And
Yes, I'm telling you. It is simple. When an institute is opened, the corporate should think about it is education institute. The objectives must be clear. Instead of increasing the courses, they can concentrate on some of the courses, engage a good faculty. The very basic requirement is there is a faculty crunch. I am telling you from the core of my heart, when I started teaching is my hobby. And Narsimha Monji, when in late 80s, Professor Bhushan was the director. He said, Mr. Goel, you take some class. So I am a practicing manager, what I will do? I am a HR person, I am doing the job as a bureaucrat at the airport. He says, no, you must teach and all sorts. It used to take me one day for teaching 1 hour. One day complete, because today students are hungry. And we used to have cream out of cream in Narsimha Monji.
Yeah.
I am very fortunate, I am saying you all my students are vice president or senior vice presidents across the country and in the world, different countries. The education means a teacher is a role model. When I talk about values, somebody asks how to go for the values and all. We took a role model in our teachers, in our faculty, in the environment, and a great amount of responsibilities on the parents, peers, when you are married to the wife. I could refuse bribe, I could stand as a crusader against corruption, I could refuse politicians. It's not a problem. If you want to maintain, I sit in a higher position in the hierarchy, but I have right to say no. That's one reason why I left private sector, came to the government. There I had no right to say no in the private sector. Here I have the right to say no, whosoever he may be. I don't want promotion on the pedestals. I want to merit it. And it comes. Let the people understand honesty is the best policy. Satyamev Jayate still. If you come to my office, there is a big Kabir ka doha on my door. Kabira khada bazaar mein मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. So it is possible. Only thing somebody has to take initiative. It may take time for that particular institute to progress, but ultimately it will be. See the downfall of Narsee Monjee Institute. It was wonderful when we were having 6 rooms, no AC. Our placement was highest, brand image. Today it is a multi-story building, air conditioned, like a 5-star hotel. Even 5-star hotel, you will find will be less as that institute is. I went as a visiting faculty, I gave lecture. I never enjoyed it because that pankha was better in a rented down below rather than this. Because they could not hire the good faculty then. Again the competition became. It was running like a business that why I should spend more money. And definitely I am telling you, money is important. In case you are taking a good faculty, pay him high so that you can retain him. And the person can say, yes, that time also we used to have Professor Surur from Columbia and all. We used to pay well and we could retain the foreign faculties here in Narsee Monjee. I am talking about, there are still very good institutes. But matters is education standard is going very down. I am telling you, I am a science graduate with botany. Day before yesterday I interviewed a girl who was MSc botany. I said, what is this mustard plant? She is not being able to answer. What to say about crucifery family? What to say about inflorescence and other things? Sir, you are asking basic questions, sir, I have forgotten. How you are forgetting here? They are not being able to tell what is electron, what is SPDF, what are the orbitals. Basics are forgotten. They say, sir, it is a computer age. But I need at my airport, in my CNS department and others, they should have basics of physics. Nothing will move without that. Ohm's law is still relevant. Concept of velocity, speed is still relevant. How you can forget the basics? You need to apply. You still need to know why tube light is white and bulb is yellow. They are not being able to answer. They say it is a jet age. Sir, you are asking old things. But old is a basic. Botany graduate is not being able to tell what is Brassica campestris or the sunflower is a compositive family. Sir, we have forgotten. You ask any subject, I am telling you about it. And same thing is happening with engineering also. Education is not a domain of anybody. Education, knowledge is vast. Even a class 5 student has beaten my entire aviation sector in Salem. I am telling you an interesting example. It is a good idea to tell and devote some time, though I have exceeded. A Vellamel School International, they requested me, sir, you are general manager at the southern region. Our students want to see the airport. Class 5 student, international school. They came from abroad, different countries, they were there. I was surprised to see the questions they came up to class 5 students. How many runways are there at Chennai airport? How the aero bridge works? What is the flight crew? What is the difference between A380 and 747? What is Airbus? What is Boeing? Whether 380 will land at Chennai airport? So good questions they make out, must be knowledge from internet. One student of class 2, he says, sir, what is the full form of visa? Can anybody say? The prize is one of my book complimentary. What is the full form of visa? Nobody could answer. My airport manager, I went to immigration, FRRO, what is the full form visa? Sir, what you are asking? Visa is visa. He opened the card, visa. Nobody could answer. I landed Delhi airport, I went to the international side, the custom man, you are seeing all your passports and all. What is the visa full form? He said, visa is visa, sir. There is no full form. That student reminded me, sir, it is not available on internet. I went to all my airports on tour and all, asked everybody relating with aviation. I talked to the embassy people also, Swiss embassy man, anybody comes to me, visitors. Nobody could tell me the full form of visa. When I went to Periyar University, a faculty's son in class 5th. When I was there addressing the student, he says, sir, I know. Uncle, the full form of visa is this. It is not there on the net, but it is 100% correct. Till date, wherever I go, I ask these questions. Make a prize one of my book. I have 11 books to my credit. Some poetry books are also there. जाते जाते शेर भी सुना के जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मेरी बुक्स जो हैं तमिल में, कई में है शायरी की, विद द परमिशन ऑफ माय कलीग्स. तो साहब वो वीजा की फुल फॉर्म कोई नहीं बता पाया. एक शेर है मेरा बहुत पुराना, अगर आप कहें तो सुना दूं.
Ishad.
माय बुक वाज ए पोएट्री बुक. और जो मैं के जितनी मैनेजमेंट बुक्स आई है उसमें दिवाकर गोयल को क्रेडिट नहीं जाता. क्रेडिट गोज टू माय वाइफ, एडवोकेट वाइफ, हु प्रैक्टिसेस ऑन मी. सो किसी को गीत देता हूं, किसी को साज देता हूं. किसी को गीत देता हूं, किसी को साज देता हूं. बहुत खुश होता हूं तो हर राज देता हूं. किसी को गीत देता हूं, किसी को साज देता हूं. बहुत खुश होता हूं तो हर राज देता हूं. नहीं कुछ बचता है जब लुटाने के लिए, नहीं कुछ बचता है जब लुटाने के लिए. तेरी खोई हुई आवाज को आवाज देता हूं.
Sir, I've got one question. Yeah, this side. The colleges and institutes seem to have little less exposure to PSUs as compared to the corporates. So it would help if you could share the different departments that you have in Airport Authority of India and corresponding engineering streams that you kind of recruit students in those departments. So
I take a lot of people. I opened as a general manager in southern region, the management institutes to send their students to me, and I am very particular. I was not paying money to them, but nowadays every student wants to have a project, a company should pay something. I don't have any provision to pay money to a project, but I take good amount of work from the student. I take interview of the guy so that he can deliver the goods, not for seeing the airport, but doing the work there. So I welcome when anybody wants to have project at any of the airport of the country, I'll be the person who will be able to help it.
Thanks for providing all this information, sir.
Sir, can you tell the full form of visa again?
Sir, I'm still searching in Google.
It won't come, madam. You see, my mail, everything is there on the net. You write my name anywhere in the computer.
I could get the complimentary copy. I'm just trying to-
So it will reach you. It is not difficult to find me. You type my name anywhere and give me the answer on my